My hair is in desperate need of a curl refresh, so this is how a bad bitch do it. Big fan of the K18 dry shampoo. Never tried anything like this. It literally makes your hair feel like you just washed it. I actually hate dry shampoo because I don't like that like a lot of product feeling in my hair. This just disappears on you. Those hold a hell of a lot better when your hair is kind of dirty. It has a lot of product in it though. Bioionic 1 in 25, I believe. I set it on 360. The hotter the tool is, the less you have to hold it, but be careful. Middle part today. If I'm the only one that has like a cowlick, but these baby hairs right here do not go the other way and it messes up my part. Dry heat protectants. This one's from Moroccan Oil, the perfect defense. Really get this shit good. I'm not gonna fry my hair off, okay? Moroccan Oil hair product smells so good. Oh, it smells like heaven in here. I start curling from the back, so I grab a section back here, about like an inch or so. Put the clamp facing in front of you. Start at the top, immediately start to roll. Hold the end so it doesn't slip out on me. That's what he said. Depends on the length of your hair, but sometimes I'll have to unravel. Time to let go. You drop the curling iron, twist, 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 and I like to pull my ends here. And clamp facing in front. Start to roll as you go. Down. This has a lot of hair in it, so now you have to drop, twist, and start curling the rest and unravel. And kind of forgot to straighten the ends there, but oh well, I really don't care that much. I like to get most of the bottom sections done. Learning how to curl your hair with the clamp is life-changing. Practice with it off and get the motion down before you start just like literally frying your hair off. Top sections, I like to curl going more upwards, like so. Let's get a little bit more volume in there and helps the curl kind of hold more up in your roots so it's not like flat curls. To become hard to pull and twist, that's when you know you need to let go, drop, twist, and continue to go. Front pieces are my least favorite to curl, and I always go bottom to top. Where I said start with the clamp facing forward, you do a rotation, it needs to end back with the clamp forward. Especially for these front pieces, I always like to hold my ends. It just keeps it from getting twisted. Don't leave it like this. Let go and make sure it ends forward so you're getting a full curl rotation in there. For my bang, I like to pull the hair in front of my face, but more forward in front. This gives more of like a curtain bang look. Twist out and let go. You can see it's like more pulling forward, and that helps give the swoop. Bang, bang into your room. I know you want it. You know the drill. Bumble and Bumble dry texture spray. For my root, I like to pick up the pieces and spray it. Side of my hair is thicker than this side. I feel like that's really weird because it looks symmetrical, but you can feel the difference. Some people like to alternate their curls. I just don't like the look of that. I like more of the like symmetrical wave pattern going through my hair, and this gives you that. If you're going for a more beachy wave, messy, undone kind of look, just using a smaller curling iron and then alternating because that gives you some like texture in there. Let go, twist, twist, and then continue to go girls. I always just do like, is that an inch, inch and a half? Oh my god, there's hair in the back of my throat. And that's why you should clip your hair and not stick it in your mouth, but we're lazy over here, okay? I always like to go upwards to see what sections I need to pick from. Top section, pull it in front of you forward. Start, wrap, and just keep it in front of you. Depending on how you pull your hair forward, side, upwards is going to change the curl. Just blasted myself with some more texture spray. Let these chill for at least 30 minutes and eat some breakfast. I'm going to headbang this out, like literally headbang. Finish it off with the Chi Shine Infusion. This is so underrated. I try not to go too overboard with this because I don't want like greasy hair. Curls are definitely on the softer side, which I prefer. Now I'm ready to get glam. Well, half glam because I'm tired, but mwah.